Hi, welcome to clickmyproject.com. Our process is sharing of patient confidential data using ECG steganography. Let's we see the abstract. In accordance with the Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act, the patient privacy and security is important in the protection of healthcare privacy. The security regulations are implemented to provide data integrity, confidentiality, and availability. Therefore, patients' ECG signal and other psychological readings such as temperature, blood pressure, glucose reading, etc. are collected at home by using body sensor networks. It will be transmitted and diagnosed by remote patient monitoring system. At the same cost, patient confidentiality is protected against intruders while data travels in open network and stored in hospital servers. In addition, the following mechanisms are incorporated in this project, such as encryption and decryption for data confidentiality and integrity, ECG based steganography to exchange data. Our scheme also ensures security, scalability, and efficiency. This is the flow diagram of our process. Initially, we had to load text file or image file and audio file or video file to do this process. Then hide the text file or image file inside an image file, audio file, or video file by using any image stream. We can hide the text file or audio file or video file. Then by using the embedding process, this embedding technique will be computed. Then the resulted data will be an image file. By using the client socket communication, we can transfer this file to the destination. At the destination side, the receiver will receive the file, and using the extraction method, they can extract the embedded data inside that image file. Finally, we can get the original secret file. Let's see the demo of our process. Our process consists of three sub-processes. One is hiding a text file inside image file, then hiding a text file inside audio file, and hiding a video file inside an image file. First, let's see how to hide a text file inside an image file. For that, we have to run the steganography process. Here, initially we have to choose the text file. I am choosing a file ECG as a text file, and this is the content of that file. Then click on encrypt button to encrypt the text file. So here we have to provide the key file name. Here I am providing ECG1 as a key file name. Click save button, and we have to provide the encrypted data file name. Click save button. Now the file is successfully encrypted. Then next we have to browse the image file to embed the encrypted data inside that image file. For that, I am choosing this image file, and then choose the encrypted data which we encrypted before. Here I am choosing ECG2 as encrypted file name, and click on embed button. Now the file is successfully embedded. Before that, we have to provide the embedded file name, image file name. Here I am providing this file name as an image file name, and click on save button. Now the file is successfully embedded. Then click on the next button. Now we have to extract the encrypted data from the image file, embedded image file name. Browse data. File and click next. Now browse the extracted data to decrypt the data, and click on open button. Now click on decrypt button. Initially we have to provide the key file to decrypt the data. Choose the key file. Then provide the decrypted original data file name to store the data. Here I am providing this as a file name. then click on save button. Now the file is successfully decrypted. This is our original file. This process is for hiding a text file inside an audio file. For that, run this process. Here we have two options. First, choose the record a wave on the fly button. Here we have to provide the key file to encrypt the secret data inside audio file. For that, I am choosing a key file as F2 and click browse the resultant location file. Here we have to provide the file name to store the wave file. Click save button. Now we have two options. One is to hide a text data, or to hide a file. First, I start with the hide content of file. For that, we have to choose a file name. Here I am choosing file 1. Now click on hide message button. It will hide the text file inside the audio file. Click on start button to start embedding. The file is started and click on stop button to stop the embedding process. Now the file is successfully embedded inside the wave file which we gave. Then click on extract button. To extract the embedded text file from the audio file, for that we have to choose the wave file name which we stored, that is ECG 6. Then click on open button. Choose this file and click on open button. Now we are going to extract the embedded file from this audio file. Click open. Then we have to choose the resultant location to save the text file. Here we have to browse the location and provide the file name. Here I am providing this file name and click on save button. Then click on extract message button. This will extract the embedded text file from this audio file. So with this, the process is over. Let's move on to the third process. For this, we have to run the secure data hiding process, debug the process. Here we have a video steganography button. Click on this button. It contains two options. One is hide the data and extract the data. Click on hide button. Usually we have to load the image file to hide the video file. Here I am choosing this image file and click on load a video file button. Here we have to choose the video file. Then click encrypt button to embed this video file inside the image file. Here we have to provide the file name for the resultant embedded image. Click save button. Now the file is successfully embedded inside this image file. Next we have to extract the video file from the image file. For that, click on extract button. Load the embedded image file. Choose this image file and choose the location to extract the video file. Here I am choosing desktop as a location and click on decrypt button. The file is successfully extracted. The message is shown here. By this, the execution procedure is over. Thanks for listening.